Why dolphins are the smartest creatures in the sea. Dolphins are often called the smartest creatures in the sea because of their incredible intelligence and cognitive abilities. But what makes them so smart? And how do they use their intelligence to survive in the wild? In this video, we'll explore the amazing world of dolphins and find out why they are truly the smartest creatures in the ocean. One of the reasons why dolphins are considered to be the smartest creatures in the sea is because they have the largest brain of any marine mammal. The size of an animal's brain is often related to its intelligence, and dolphins have brains that are proportionally larger than humans. This means that they have more brain power to use for problem solving and other cognitive tasks. According to National Geographic, a bottlenose dolphin's brain weighs around 1,700 grams, which is about twice the size of a human brain. However, it should be noted that brain size alone is not an accurate indicator of intelligence. There are many other factors that contribute to a species' intelligence, such as the complexity of their nervous system and the size of their social group. But when it comes to marine mammals, brain size is a good indicator of intelligence. Another reason why dolphins are considered to be the smartest creatures in the sea is because they have a highly developed The neocortex is the part of the brain that is responsible for higher-level thinking, such as reasoning and problem-solving. Dolphins have more neurons in their neocortex than any other marine mammal, which means that they have more brain power to use for complex tasks. This is one reason why dolphins are able to learn new tricks so quickly. They also have a highly developed hippocampus, which is the part of the brain that is responsible for memory. Dolphins have excellent memories and are able to remember complex sequences of events. This is important for them because they need to remember the location of their prey and the layout of their environment. Some scientists argue that the reason dolphins are so smart is because they live in pods. Living in groups allows dolphins to share knowledge with each other, such as the location of food and potential predators. Dolphins also have to be very social creatures in order to survive. They need to be able to communicate with each other effectively in order to coordinate hunting and defend against predators. Dolphins are also very playful and curious animals, which contributes to their intelligence. They are constantly exploring their environment and trying out new things. This helps them to learn new skills and behaviors that they can use to survive. The scientific community generally agrees that dolphins are some of the most intelligent creatures in the sea. But there is debate over whether they are the most intelligent. Some argue that other animals such as whales, cuttlefish, and octopuses are just as intelligent, if not more intelligent, than dolphins. Whales, like dolphins, are also cetaceans and have similar brain sizes and social structures. This suggests that they may have similar levels of intelligence. However, dolphins still have larger brains than whales, and recent studies have shown that they also have more neurons in their cerebral cortex. This means that dolphins have more brain power than whales and are likely more intelligent. On the other hand, cuttlefish and octopuses are not mammals, so they don't have the same kind of intelligence as dolphins. They are invertebrates and have much simpler nervous systems. However, they are still very intelligent creatures and are able to solve complex problems and learn new tasks. Cuttlefish and octopuses are also very good at camouflage, which requires a high level of intelligence. Dolphins, on the other hand, do not have the ability to camouflage themselves. So in this regard, cuttlefish and octopuses are likely more intelligent than dolphins. Ultimately, it is up to each individual to decide which creature they think is the most intelligent. There are many different types of intelligence, and each animal has its own strengths and abilities. Dolphins, whales, cuttlefish, and octopuses are all very intelligent creatures, and we should appreciate them all. Even though dolphins are incredibly smart, they are still hunted by humans and other animals. One of the main predators of dolphins is the orca, also known as the killer whale. Orcas are the largest members of the oceanic dolphin family and are found in all oceans around the world. They are apex predators and have a diverse diet that includes fish, seals, porpoises, and other marine mammals. Dolphins are also sometimes hunted by sharks, especially when they are young or injured. Sharks are also very efficient hunters and have a strong bite force that can easily kill a dolphin. Sometimes fishermen catch dolphins as bycatch when they are trying to catch other fish. This can happen when dolphins swim into fishing nets or become entangled in fishing lines. Dolphins can also be killed by boats, either by being hit by the propellers or becoming entangled in the ropes and chains. In addition to these external threats, Dolphins also face internal challenges such as diseases and parasites. Dolphins are susceptible to a variety of diseases, including viral infections, bacterial infections, and parasitic infestations. These can cause illness, injury, or even death. For example, dolphins can contract morbillivirus, which causes lesions in their lungs and can lead to respiratory failure. They can also be infected by the protozoan parasite Toxoplasma gondii, which can cause neurological problems. Despite these challenges, dolphins are still able to thrive in many parts of the world. They're well adapted to their environment and have a number of natural defenses against predators. Dolphins are also very social creatures and live in pods, which provides them with some protection from predators. In addition to the threats they face in the wild, dolphins are also threatened by human activities. Humans have hunted dolphins for their meat, oil, and skin for centuries. Today, however, most countries have laws against hunting dolphins, and they are protected in many parts of the world. However, dolphins are still hunted in some countries. Their populations are declining in some areas due to overfishing and habitat destruction. Dolphins are also sometimes kept in captivity for entertainment purposes. However, this practice is controversial because it is believed that dolphins are intelligent creatures who need a lot of space to roam. When they are kept in captivity, they are often kept in small tanks, which does not provide them with the space they need to roam. This can cause them to become bored, stressed, and depressed. Many people believe that keeping dolphins in captivity is cruel and should be banned. Despite the threats they face, dolphins are still found in many parts of the world. They are well adapted to their environment and have a number of natural defenses against predators. Dolphins are also very social creatures and live in pods, which provides them with some protection from predators. Dolphins can live up to 20 years in the wild, but their lifespan in captivity is much shorter. On average, they only live for 5 to 10 years in captivity, which is much shorter than their natural lifespan. This is likely due to the stress and poor living conditions that they experience in captivity. If you have ever seen a dolphin in person, you know that they are graceful, intelligent, and playful creatures. They are truly amazing animals, and we should do everything we can to protect them. Hopefully, in the future, dolphins will continue to thrive in our oceans for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos about dolphins and other amazing creatures.